Hi, Julia Pritchard again with my card designs. I'd just like to say thanks for the great comments about the first one I did and the feedback. Now, in response to the feedback, some of you mentioned that it takes quite a long time to do the pen work and maybe a simpler version will be good. So I have designed a simpler version using the same template. So I think the important thing with these is to be careful what patterns and colours you choose, that they go well. So same template from the first design for the card, and I have set here some card making paper or some crafting paper, but you could use old gift wrap or wallpaper ends or something like that, so anything with a pattern on. And use the template. Now this is really quick version of doing this, but I think really effective as well. So use the template to draw around, carefully cut it out, be sensible when using scissors. Children should always be supervised when using scissors. So again, use a suitable glue for paper and card. I've got a manufactured card here. Fold it in half. Use your glue according to manufacturer's instructions. And because it's made with love, and a heart from here. Like that, little glue on that. Like so. I think you'll agree, simple, effective and very quick.